Dr. M. Balaji, Associate Professor, MBA Department. Now I am going to say something about or share some views about TQM. What is this concept TQM? Total Quality Management. Why these concepts suddenly emerged, become very popular? Just if you go back to the history of TQM, actually this concept was developed by Edward Deming and Jerome. American University professor, Edward Deming, Statistical Department professor, New York University. He created the concepts, especially the first and foremost concepts, statistical analysis. What is this statistical analysis? Control. Statistical analysis control. Why he prepared these concepts? After Second World War, the whole Japan was totally destroyed by Americans. In these situations, in a humanitarian point of view, Edward Deming likely to help Japanese manufacturers. He suggested by improving the quality, by focus on quality, the whole world respect your country name product, especially made in Japan. Like that he created the concepts. So almost all Japanese firms, they started to follow TQM concepts. In these situations, before we enter into the topic, what is this total quality? Enhancement of the traditional way of business. This is called total quality. Then what is quality? Performance into expectations. This is the product. Before I buy this product, what is the expectations? After I purchased, what is the exact? What is the reality? In this situation, before I purchase, my expectation will be very higher. But after, when I started to use, it becomes, my expectation level may be less. The gap between actual and standards. Then, what is this? What are the common principles of TQM? First one, short range and long range objectives. What is this short range and long range objectives? Short range and long range objective means internally first we must improve the quality standard, then only we can prove our company products in the outside external market. Then second one, identify the customers and customer orientations. Who is our customer, what they likely to buy, and what is their expectations. And if it is something new in our product, try to educate and orient them. Take as example iPhone. Compared to other mobile phones, they have different features. But they are likely to educate us. Then, the third one, identification of internal and external customers. What is this internal and external customers? Internal and external customers. Internal customer means our employees. How many employees likely to buy our products? Let's take example, most of the two-wheeler manufacturers, they allow the employee only to use their company one brand only. They won't permit the other brand manufacturers two-wheelers inside their company. That means they give importance to use the employees, especially the same company bike. External, outside the customer, right? Outside the market, okay, outside the company. This is external customers, right? Then, dimensions of quality. How we measure, what are the dimensions are available in quality? First one, performance. Any product based on performance, that only speaks the quality. If I buy this pen for 10 rupees, that gives value for 10 rupees performance. If I pay for 50 rupees, the performance is different. If I buy for 100 or 500 based on the performance. Then features. What are the features? Commonly, take it as an air conditioner. Whirlpool is the only company introduced the BioFresh. First concept he created. Like that now there are all the companies adding their features. Car, take this example, car. Almost all companies adding their features. Then conformance means standards, workmanship. Take this example, showroom services. Why people are forced to wear the uniform? That is the workmanship. That is the profile of the company. This is the way we have to do the work. All star hotel chefs, they must wear apron and all the as per the norms and standards of the professional dresses. Then reliability. Any two-wheeler or car, based on the reliability, the sales is improved or decreased. Reliability means if I purchase for 5 lakhs rupees value means what is the reliability? How long can I use this car? Durability of the product, mostly value of the money. Service, any car or two-wheeler, what about the service facilities? Now we are following toll-free services, 24/7 services, 365 day services. Then reputations, how much our company products accepted by others based on particular uniqueness of the product. It starts from, just example, Voltas refrigerator. They use only one advertisement model, Penguin as advertisement model. Just like Antarctica, right? They shown all the background images and everything. So this is the first way Voltas created the concept. This is our uniqueness. That much deep freeze system we followed, right? Godrej next to followed puff cold. This is the concept created by uniqueness of the product. And the two-wheeler side, Honda company, the first company introduced the concepts mono suspension in unicorn. So this is the way the companies, by showing the one uniqueness of the product, they created the reputation. Like that, all the manufacturers should focus on uniqueness in their product. By focusing on the uniquenesses of the product, then product become a popular. By focusing on the same uniqueness on quality, the brand becomes success. Thank you very much.